Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of the ICZI 8-in-1 multifunction USB-C hub. This thing is really great. I use it a lot at work. There's not too much on the box, so let's just jump right in. Inside you get a sack, which we'll take a look at the contents of in a second, and a warranty card. So if you have problems with it, you can get help. And then inside the carrying pouch is the hub itself. I like that they included this. Always a fan of carrying pouches. And here's the hub itself. It's got a little latch mechanism to keep the cord wound up around it. If we unwind the cord, you can see there's a USB-C power port, VGA port, an HDMI port, you get an Ethernet port, which is really nice, two USB 3.0 ports, a micro SD card slot, and a full-size SD card slot. And on the top of the hub is this little magnetic latch, and in here you can put wireless receivers or wireless keyboards or mice or SD cards, USB flash drives, whatever you want to put in here, spare change, whatever you want to put in here. And you just put the thing back on, and the magnets keep it secured. And then on the bottom there's these rubber feet to keep it from sliding around too much. So I use this thing a lot at work. On my desk I plug my MacBook power adapter into this, and then I use the VGA port for an external display, use the LAN port for Ethernet, I use one of the USB ports for the USB hub on the monitor that I use, and then I use the other one for any USB drives that I have to use throughout the day. And then the SD card readers are also really helpful, considering that I edit videos and those videos come from SD cards. And you can use this with really any USB-C supporting laptop. You can use it with the 12-inch MacBook Pros. You can use it with the Huawei MateBook Pro 10 or whatever it's called. The Google Pixelbook, I would assume you can use it with the Chromebook Pixel. The Razer blades, you can use them with. Anything that has a USB-C port, this will work with. So I've had this for about a month now. I use this thing nearly every day. I use it a lot at work, as I said before. It just kind of puts everything in one place and lets me connect it all with one cable. The wonders of USB-C. So if you're someone like me that uses more than half of these ports on an almost daily basis, I would definitely suggest that you pick this up. It's on Amazon right now for $42.99. That's actually a pretty good deal, considering most other USB-C hubs are around like the $40–50 range, or at least the ones that I've been looking at. It's about in the same ballpark. Most of them don't come with either a VGA port or a LAN port, or they come with one or the other, and most of them come with HDMI, USB 3, and full-size and micro SD card readers. So if you're out on the market for a USB-C hub, this is definitely one to take a look at. I wouldn't definitely say buy it. It's up to you if you want to buy it. Personal preference, because maybe you don't need an Ethernet port, or maybe you don't need VGA or HDMI. You can find other hubs with the ports that you need and without the ports that you don't need for other different prices. But if you need the ports that this thing supplies, I would definitely recommend picking it up. I've been using it for about a month. It's great. Haven't had any issues with it. Definitely recommend it. I'll have the link to buy this on Amazon down below. Guys, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as well as turning on post notifications so that way you get notified whenever I upload another video. This has been Jake from Technology and Toys, and until the next video, goodbye.